Hello guys, welcome to yet another video on creating a to-do application with React.js. So actually it's been super amazing and super fun. We're actually saving the data in the local storage as an array, and when we add more, it's just been appending to the array in the local storage, and this is just so mind-blowing to think of how we did it. So we made use of something called the json.stringify and then the json.pass. So get my old video or the last video before this to get to understand all we've been doing. All right, so we have this list over here, and in our home page we want to see these particular to-dos or these tasks in the home page. So let's get started. All right, so I'm just going to borrow some things from this place. I'm going to be borrowing the storage and replacing it over here, and of course we're going to be importing React, say, and I'm also going to be borrowing the use effect and the get to dos function. Okay, and I'm going to get rid of the dependency. I only want it to run only when the page loads. Right. Use effect should come from this. So far so good. We don't have any errors. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, no errors. Yeah, we good. No errors in the application. So over here we're just going to change this to dos, and I'm going to have the JSS the JSS code right here. So we're going to be saying if the storage dot length is greater than 0, then do something here, else, hey, you know what, just display no tags yet. Lazy. Come on, go work, bro. So no tags yet. And then over here, if the length is greater than 0, then we can now start mapping through the array. So say storage dot map, so say the to do comma the index of each storage. I'm also going to be using the parentheses here because I don't want us to start having curly bracket and then saying return at the end of the day. This is actually very long, so I'm just going to control 0 here. So when we have this arrows function here, we have the parentheses instead of curly braces, the parentheses. Cool. So over here we can now say let's say a div and then p tag, and this p tag is going to be to do, and then we save. Awesome. So we have go shopping and then we have t, just the two elements we have in this array. So when I go to add to do now and then I say learn next js, so if I click on add tags, you see that it's been appended. When I go back to the home, we have learn next.js. This is so awesome. But then we're having this error which is saying each child in the list should have a unique key prop. All right, so we're going to be adding that. That is no problem. Over here we'll have a key property, and we're going to be calling this we're going to be using the index for it, the index. So if I save right now, refresh the entire application, we good. That error is not showing again. So we have go shopping t learn next.js. So we go to add to do. Let's just say it's tailwind. Interesting. Absolutely it is. Absolutely tailwind is interesting. So in our application, in our local storage, we have another element is tailwind interesting. So if we go back to the home, we have that over here. This is awesome, very awesome. So before we we end the video. I'm just going to style this a little bit, and I'm just going to say the p tag is going to have a font of bold, and it's going to be text left, and then let's just say text excel save. Awesome. So we have this ugly design. It's actually very ugly, guys, but then let's just learn what we want to learn, and yeah, we can start writing amazing designs. All right, so with this we have the to-dos being listed here, which is super awesome. In the next video we're going to be looking at how to mark our to-dos to be done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.